Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can view the archived contacts in Mailchimp. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Mailchimp, and when you're gonna be here, you want to click here on click audience and view contacts. And you're gonna be in this dashboard when you're gonna see all the contacts here, and you want to click on manage contacts and then view archived contacts. When you're gonna click on it, you're gonna see all the contacts that you have here, and you can simply unarchive. So manage contacts and view archived contacts. So that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support and stuff like that. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.